Now, tonight, we begin our bulletin with the flooding crisis in the country, which has so far claimed 136 lives, with 16 deaths being recorded in the last 24 hours. Among those who died were 2 people in Garissa and Tana River counties who were crossing the swollen Tana River before being swept away. Interior Principal Secretary Raymond Omollo has put the figure of those affected so far at 462,000 persons, with a decrease in rainfall across different parts of the country.
At Konapunda area in Tana River County, multitudes crossed Tana River after waters subsided, oblivious of the danger at hand. The people crossed to Garissa town from Madogo and vice versa. This young man, who is crossing the river while carrying a sack of potatoes, falls in the waters after he tripped. Those with the ability to pay for boat services can be seen moving from one point to the other. The situation has prompted residents to build makeshift boats using tanks to ferry those crossing the river. But even as residents crossed the dangerous river, the consequences of their actions stared straight into their faces. The body of the late 17-year-old Joseph Mudheki is covered by a shawl after it was retrieved from the river. Mudheki was crossing the river on Wednesday before he was swept away by the raging floods. His body has since been taken to Mwingi Level 4 Hospital morgue.
Jana asubuhi alikuwa anafuka mtu anikujie ndio nimpe pesa aende nyumbani, lakini sasa ile kungangana kufuka maji ikamshinda nguvu, akazama ndani na akapotelea hapo.
Aliingia kwa maji mto katikati, akazama mara ya kwanza, akainua mkono na akazama ya pili, akaingia ya pili, akaingia kabisa. Tukumuona, tukakaa hapo, tukatafuta majamaa najua kuongelea watusaidie, wakaingia kwa maji wakamtafuta wakamkosa.
Leaders and elders from the area who have warned of possible recovery of more bodies have urged residents to desist from crossing the river until government issues a directive on the same.
Kuna mwili mwingine ngambo pande hiyo Garissa. Maji imekatika mara mbili. Yule mwili pande hiyo walitoka wakiwa watatu pande hii. Walienda pande hiyo, wakafuka maji ya kwanza. Maji ya pili ina maji ikashinda wao nguvu, wawili wametoka, huyu mwingine akaenda. Tukaambiwa amekufa. Hiyo ni siku 3 iliyopita.
Hii wimbo tumeimba mara mingi. Watu kuvuka mto ikiwa na maji mingi ni hatari kubwa. Lakini makosa utafanya nini na hao watu hawana riski zao? Riski wanavuka pande nyingine kutafuta kitu at least ya kukula na kukunywa.
The bodies of the 2 bring to 16 the number of those who have died in the last 24 hours as a result of flooding across the country.
A total of 16 deaths have been reported, raising the death toll to 136. The number of household displaced still remains at 92,432, comprising of slightly over 462,000 persons.
Those major roads are also critical, and already you can hear we have repaired one of them, but we believe that when we get resources to the ministry, then it will also augment that opening up of various places.
Omollo added that 10 tons of assorted food items had been airlifted to Wajir and Isiolo counties, with those affected by floods in Garissa expected to get rescue boats flown from Mombasa to help in ferrying people between Madogo and Garissa town. The government, which announced anticipated decrease in rainfall in the northern half of the country this week, said they have received reports of diarrhea cases in Lamu, Garissa, Kwale, Mandera and Wajir counties, which they suspect could be an outbreak of cholera.